guys, and welcome back to Forex Buyer and another training module. On this one, we are going to be looking at imbalance, okay, and how that affects the market, also known as IPA, improper price action. And what we're going to do, just going to head to the charts, okay. You can use imbalance for one of a couple of things. One is to understand the market structure. Always know that imbalance is what it is, improper price action. And the markets and the banks will always use algorithms to get the price to go back towards those areas of high interest, which is imbalance. This is when things like the news will sort of be used as an excuse for the banks to push price to where they want them to go, okay? So let's have a look at the chart and just sort of look at where these imbalance areas are and things like that. So as you can see, we did this on the last video, okay? And if I just get rid of this, you can see here, okay, this red candle here, the buyers were in control, and what you've got is an area of imbalance, okay? So from there down to where it's come back up to wick, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a different color. Let's take a look. I'm going to make that into a pinkish area, and again to spread that out, I'm just going to put the coordinates to 1500. Okay, now what will happen is, okay guys, what will happen is eventually the price as it moves down will need to come back to fill the contracts of this, because there was too many selling contracts, okay? So what you've got, what I like to do is I normally like to sort of fill these out as a halfway area, okay, to sort of understand. This is how I mark my imbalance areas out. Now, as we move down, you'll see the price and the structure was moving along, okay? And let's just see if this come back to sort of respect this area of imbalance. And price should come back to fill that area. And as you can see, more or less to the pip, we had a little bit of a breakout, okay? You've had a little bit of a push out, but this imbalance had been filled, okay? I'll just go to a different part of the charts, okay? So let's just take a look. Let's have another little look. See what we'll find an area. So again, we've got all this big push coming down, just to show you from there down to there. And again, you can see straight away how this is filled up. We've come back up and we've filled the position. We want to try and find something that's from a while, to be fair. Right, here's something to look at. Right, so this is a good example. So one of two things. We can sort of put a few things together. We can see, first of all, what we see here, we've come down, we've sort of got the price straight away. You have a banker's candle here, in fairness, okay? Okay, and then from there, you've also got imbalance to that area there. It's on the 1500. So you concentrate on this area here, guys, okay? We want to see this area here be filled back up, okay? Just going to make that orange a minute. So as we come out and we move along, we had our contracts filled right here. Just get rid of that. don't know why I put that in. So you've got the imbalance area filled, and then you can just see how important that area was. There was a big push on the down for the sellers, and this became a very significant zone, to be fair. As you can see, we had a lot of consolidation within there. Okay, guys. Again, from there, we can see, just to do one more. From there to there, a lot of price. And then what we'll do is, as you can see, from the wick to this wick, between there, which is buying, let's just see. And there we have it again, guys. You can't make this stuff up. Improper price action, filled, and we went into consolidation here. Okay, guys. So hopefully this has shown you what imbalance in the market is and how the market price, market structure can come back to revisit those areas of importance. We can use these imbalance areas perfectly in conjunction with the fibs and the ratios on there. So what we do is, I'm going to do a putting it all together video a little bit further down from what we have here, and we're going to put it all together, and I'm going to show you how you can use the imbalance areas once you've drilled down the time frames going fractal, okay, to get the precise area, to get your entry to stop loss very tight. Then what you do is you jump up the time frame to look for those imbalance areas, and you go for the halfway point of those imbalance areas to where the price should go back to respect to fill that order in to get us the pips that we catch. Okay, guys. So hopefully this has been insightful and you have found it very informational. Please drop your comments below and let me know.